response to social media claims, Rivers State Governor Siminalayi Fubara has categorically denied reports suggesting he ordered the shutdown of oil operations in the state. The false news spread rapidly across social media platforms, claiming Governor Fubara had directed the closure of NNPC and all oil companies operating in Rivers State. The fabricated post even suggested that Nigeria's global oil production ranking had plummeted from 4th to 24th within minutes of the alleged shutdown. Speaking exclusively to the cable, Governor Fubara dismissed these claims, emphasizing his administration's commitment to the rule of law. He confirmed that the state has already filed an appeal against the recent Federal High Court ruling restricting the Central Bank of Nigeria from disbursing financial allocations to Rivers State. The court's decision, delivered by Justice Joyce Abdulmalik in Abuja, came in response to a suit filed by the Rivers State House of Assembly under Martins Amawule's leadership. The ruling stipulates that Federation account money should be withheld pending the passage of the Lawful Appropriation Act by an adequately constituted House of Assembly. In an official statement, Rivers State Commissioner for Information and Communication, Wari Senibo Joe Johnson, denounced the viral post as spurious and concocted propaganda. He reaffirmed that Governor Siminalayi Fubara's administration remains committed to addressing governance matters through legitimate channels, not through what he termed unconventional and crude approaches. The state government has urged Rivers residents and the Nigerian Republic to disregard these false claims, maintaining that Governor Fubara did not contemplate or issue such directives that would impact the state's economic operations. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news stories.